Guys, today I'll show you how to log out of the Waze app. Let's get started. First, open the Waze app on your phone and tap the search icon. Next, go to Settings, then tap Account and Login or Account, depending on your version of the app. Scroll down until you find the logout or signing option. Tap it, then confirm your choice if a confirmation message appears. Waze will sign you out of your account and return you to the welcome or sign in screen. If you're planning to use a different account, simply tap sign in and enter login details for the account you want to use. Your saved places and preferences will sync once you successfully sign in. That's all there is to it. You have now logged out of the Waze app. And that's how to log out of the Waze app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.